Thursday, January 18, 2024. Focus. Jonathan, Saul's son, delighted much in David. We may have used the expression like father, like son when we perceive a lot of similarity in looks or habits between them. This could be in a positive or negative sense. In the first reading, we see not similarity but great difference between King Saul and his son Jonathan. Saul was filled with jealousy and resentment towards David, perhaps sensing that one day David would take his throne. However, Jonathan, who was the rightful heir to the throne, was not keen on it. He had great admiration and love for David, wanting the best for him, even if it meant losing the throne, for he loved him as his own soul. Every year on Friendship Day, wishes and gifts are exchanged. Yet, it may be just another calendar event we soon forget. Perhaps we could reflect on what friendship is really about. True friends are a gift of God. They are there for us in good times to rejoice with us and in hard times to help, support, and advise us. Friends are not a commodity to be used to get ahead and dumped once they are no longer needed. Fruit. Today, let us thank God and bless all those friends and companions who have stood by us, encouraged us, and led us to greater faith.